Have you ever received one of those official-looking letters in the mail and your heart just sinks? Urgent. Safety recall notice. Don't panic. It's actually a good thing. It means the system is working to keep you safe. But what exactly is a car recall, and why do they happen? Let's dive in. A car recall is issued when a manufacturer or a government safety agency, like the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, or NHTSA, determines that a vehicle model has a safety-related defect or doesn't comply with federal safety standards. This isn't about a squeaky door or a faulty radio. We're talking about issues that could increase the risk of a crash or injury, like faulty brakes, problematic airbags, steering component failures, or even fire hazards from wiring issues. So, where do these recalls come from? It's a mix of sources. Sometimes the car manufacturer discovers the problem during their own internal testing and quality control processes. More often, the alarm is raised by you, the driver. When enough owners report the same unusual problem to the manufacturer or file complaints with agencies like NHTSA, it triggers an investigation. If the investigation confirms a widespread safety defect, a recall is initiated. It's a massive, coordinated effort to protect everyone on the road. The best part? The repairs are done completely free of charge by your local dealership. Now you might be thinking, what if I never got a letter? What if I bought my car used? It's a great question, and it highlights why it's so important to be proactive. Letters can get lost, and if you're not the original owner, the manufacturer might not even have your contact information. But don't worry, checking for recalls is incredibly simple. You should make it a regular habit, just like checking your tire pressure. Here's how you do it, step by step. All you need is your car's vehicle identification number, or VIN. The VIN is your car's unique 17-character fingerprint. You can find it in a few places: on the driver's side of the dashboard, visible through the windshield, on a sticker on the driver's side door jamb, or on your car's registration and insurance documents. Once you have your VIN, grab your phone or hop on a computer. Go to the official NHTSA website, which is nhtsa.gov recalls. The site is super user-friendly. You'll see a prominent search box that says Enter your VIN. Type your 17-character VIN in there and hit Enter. In just a few seconds, the system will search its database for any open, unrepaired recalls associated with your specific vehicle. The results will be clear and easy to understand. 0 unrepaired recalls is what you want to see. If there are any open recalls, it will list them for you. The summary will tell you what the problem is, the potential safety risk, and what the remedy is, usually a repair or replacement of a part. The site will even give you guidance on what to do next. If you find an open recall, your next step is to call your local authorized dealership for that brand of car. Tell them you've checked the NHTSA website and your VIN has an open recall. They will schedule an appointment to perform the necessary repairs at absolutely no cost to you. It's required by law. Don't let a dealership tell you otherwise or try to charge you for the recall-specific work. Checking for recalls is a simple but powerful way to ensure your vehicle is as safe as possible for you and your family. It takes less than a minute and gives you incredible peace of mind. So go find your VIN and check it right now. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more car safety tips. Drive safe out there.